The year was 2047. Here stands legendary Dr. Air Bomglun, son of infamous scientist Emma Bomglun, who invented the method of bootstrapping apartment complexes. His son Tim suffers a fatal case of spontaneous dental hydroplosion. Having only days to live, Air Bomglun says to his son, "I will find a cure." Tim cries in agony. Air went to his lab to develop a cure. He worked hour after hour, day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year. Nothing worked. But then it hit him. It was so obvious. Through the use of a tumbleweed cellular membrane, he could cause a Coriolis reaction, reversing the charges and reionizing the mitochondria, and completely curing the spontaneous dental hydroplosion. He named his medication Zealgar. There was only one thing left to do: test the significance. Air would conduct a 1 proportion Z test at a level of alpha equals 0.001. He had a completely randomized sample, using his super calculator to randomly select 10 trillion sufferers of spontaneous dental hydroplosion throughout the universe. He ensured each individual was independent of each other. He confirmed that at least 100 trillion individuals suffered from this disease total. He found that n times p and n times 1 minus p for both proportions were greater than 10. He used a double-blind procedure with a control group that received a placebo and an experimental group which received the Zealgar. He developed a null and alternative hypothesis. Then he used the equation p hat minus p divided by the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by the sample size in order to find the z value. He worked through the data and checked it twice to find the z value. He then used his blue packet to find his p value. It was all coming together. This was it. This would determine everything. This was life or death. He needed a value less than p equals 0.001 in order to declare that the medicine is statistically effective. No, it couldn't be. It's impossible. P equals 0.001. He failed to reject the null hypothesis. There is no evidence to believe the medicine is effective. Catastrophe.